In today's video, I'm doing a flip cup, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, I hope y'all are having a great day. Today I'm working on a 16 by 20 oval canvas. I have my cup and I have a rainbow of colors that I will be working with. They are all Deco Art Extreme Sheen. I've got ruby and coral, 24 karat gold, emerald, sapphire, and then the last one is amethyst. And I'm also going to be using a new to me paint. It's white metallic white from Anita's. The normal metallic pearl, white pearl that I use from Folk Art is getting hard to find. So I saw this one while I was at the craft store and I thought I would give it a try. And all of the colors that I'm using today are mixed with Floetrol and water only. They are mixed 1 part paint to 2.5-ish parts of pouring medium. Each color sometimes is a little bit different, so sometimes you have to add just a little bit more pouring medium or even a little bit more water and you're good to go. Not too much water. You don't want to go more than 30%. It starts breaking down the binders in your paint, so you don't ever want to add too much water. Alright, so with the way that I'm layering the colors in the cup, I'm putting a layer of the metallic white in between each one. It is probably going to mute them down just a bit, but I was kind of excited. I wanted to see if I could get like a rainbow. I don't know. We'll see. It's a flip cup, so you never know. All right, so here we go. And I just wanted to say, for those of you that are new, I hope that you like my video enough to subscribe. And for those of you that are already subscribed, I do really appreciate it. All right, so now I am just going to go ahead and let you guys sit back, enjoy the music, and see how this develops. And I will be back in a jiff. Okay everybody, so here we go with the dried photos, and I love it. I am super happy with how it dried. It dried exactly the same as when it was wet, nothing changed, and I think I forgot to mention that I did not use any silicone, so all of those are natural cells. I love how I got all of the colors. I did get more red and more green, but I still got some of all the colors came through, so I love it, and I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts, so don't forget to leave me a comment below. Also, don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and one way you can help my channel is to share this video, so I'd appreciate if you do that. And another thing, if you haven't joined my Facebook group yet, it's called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. It's an awesome group, so I highly suggest you do that. And I have a bunch more videos that I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in my next one.